Hello. So, after our last lecture, which was about HTML and how to learn HTML, it was little bit in detail because some people or the absolute beginners might struggle on understanding what exactly it is. But now they already know how to bring out the information from the internet or YouTube or AI. So now they got an idea that what exactly and how exactly it is. Mm, so I think that's enough for to get started with HTML. The more detail, the more they go into detail, the better the understanding will be. So let's share our index.html, which we created last time. Let's make it shareable so that people can read it, and even with the link viewer, right? Perfect. I don't want someone to edit it and write something which is not intended to be written over there. So let's keep it, let's just paste the link on the top so users don't have to read whole description. We will go through as much as we can. What's that? To make an external links clickable, first complete and hmm, I don't have the verification right now. Okay, then I will just share it in the comment. Link in the comments. So yeah, it works fine. Okay, so this video is about CSS. So I think I will give you 3 steps. First, how to install VS Code, make an HTML VS Code, make an HTML file, make a CSS file, and connect the CSS file to HTML file which we created. Now I want you to copy this or write this same thing to the AI and to the YouTube. Also give me YT videos about it. Only titles, no links. Because ChatGPT gives wrong links. I'm not sure if it's with the privacy thing. So it gave us the two response. So here are the steps written, and here is how you will make the HTML file. If you don't yet understand, go see my last video and you will get an idea. Now once we make the CSS file, this we have to put in the HTML file here in the head tag under the title, right? So what happened is the file I will show you by doing it live. Let's say let's make a file quickly index.css, and now if I want to connect this CSS file, I will have to come here and I will have to link the style sheet. Let's copy this one, and here I have to give the path of the style sheet. So what is the path? Path is the same path as the index.html, just the file is different. Same folder, so same parent folder. So click on this like dot and slash, and you will get the suggestion. If you don't yet, write index.css. Perfect. And the CSS file is connected. Now if you write here, let's say body background color is red, And now let's check if the body's background color is getting red or not. Let's comment this out or remove this all code because we don't need it in real. Let's just write h1 hello world. It's not open in the live server, so right click and open with the live server. And now here, let's see. No, body tag hasn't, background color has not changed. Why? So let's identify that what's going on. So let's remove this. Okay, so here we have already given the body tag, and some things might be conflicting. So we'll remove this. We will comment the CDN link because we don't really need that. And yeah, now it's red color. So that's how you write the CSS. Now what I want you to learn is, now you already know, right, how to connect a CSS file. Now the second step will be let me just explain it. Okay, I just mistakenly sent it there. Okay, let me open the notes, or no need of notes. Okay, let's write it here. Learn.txt. Learn.txt. We will use make our notes here. So how to install VS Code, connect CSS file to the HTML file which we created, this CSS file to this HTML file. And if you don't yet know, go to YouTube, search about it. Now on the second point, what I want you in the HTML on the CSS to learn is basic CSS properties. Now watch this video on YouTube, at least 40 minutes video, and then the main thing comes. There is not one thing but two things: flexbox and grid in CSS. So what is a flexbox? Flexbox is for uh, aligning the components on your web page. Let's say, let me give you the live example. Let's go to google.com. Google.com. Okay, so here is the menu, right? So in the menu there is UL tag, and the UL tag have link tags. Now if you don't know the UL tag and the link tags, you can simply go to ChatGPT and ask it, or you watch a video about it, because it means that you don't yet fully know the HTML, and nobody knows it from the start. Don't worry, you will keep on learning with the process. So these are the link tags. Now this link tags, if I do it here, let me just create it here. Let's say UL and then li. Let's make 3 li tags. First will be website, second will be about, third will be home. Alright. Now if we have this link tags, look how they will look like. Oh, pretty bad. We need it to look like Google's, right? But why it's not looking like Google? So Google have provided the flex properties. For example, I will give you an example and you need to learn flex yourself. So UL display flex, right? And once we do display flex, you see the, the positioning, the alignment, the direction of the content changed. Now, gap one. This is just a property. We are just giving the gap. And now for the li tags, we will write it like, let's say, style. How do I remove this? I don't know. I forgot this. Okay, so you know the drill, right? Now go to here, copy the tag, paste it, space and then copy the CSS for the UL and LI tag and just write here. How can I remove the points and make it good like a real LI in a real website? Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's giving us something. Let's copy this. Let's remove this and let's paste this. What it has done. If you don't understand anything here, it means you need to watch the CSS tutorial more and ask it to AI, because that's called rapid learning for the rapid development. Now let's see how does our LI looks like. Oh, okay. Oh, now it looks good. Not as good as the Google's, but yeah, I think similar, right? So that's what we are aiming for. So this is how you write the CSS, and I can turn this into a full-fledged website right now. How? I will explain you with AI, but not now. I want you to first learn these things. First learn these three things, master this, and the third point is the most important thing. If you skip even a second of content on this third point, then I think you will struggle making good layouts, good websites like this one. Yeah, this is called good one. Yes, that's beautiful. So if you want to make good websites which doesn't look like this but actually look like this, you have to master all the CSS properties, all flexbox and grid especially, and then you have to fourth follow CSS projects. So you have to follow the CSS projects. AI will help you, AI will create it for you, but until and unless you know. And these three things shouldn't take more than 5 days, not more than 5 days. This thing takes 1 day, this will take 3 days, and this 2 days. And I think you will be perfectly fine to make websites better than this one, which we are on right now. Yes, I'm right. Like you will make better websites than this one, which we are on right now. But there is still a catch, which I will explain you. That's JavaScript, but we are not over there yet. So I think yes, slowly, I will move you towards JavaScript too. In JavaScript, the programming concepts I will explain you in very detail, but CSS and HTML, I think you can do it yourself. There is at least 500k videos on YouTube on that, so I don't feel like I should make a full series. And yeah, because I don't really aim for earning revenue out of people watching my videos. So this is just for helping. So yeah, I'm doing my job good. So this, do not skip this third point. It's very important, right? Okay, then let's meet in the next video. Next, we will start the JavaScript thing, and I think you will be fine. So for the 5 days, take a break, learn this, master it, and then we see each other. Thank you.